banana loaf. So I'm pretty excited for this because obviously I love cake, as you all know, which is why I made this channel. But this is one of my favourite things, and maybe like the second or third thing that I ever made, and it's one of my family's favourites, and I just like the banana flavour in this is amazing. So let's get into the baking. The ingredients you'll need are 225 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of butter, 3 mashed up ripe bananas, or if you don't want as many bananas, you can take a banana out and add 175 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 eggs. Let's get into the baking. Okay, so this mixture is an all-in-one mixture, meaning we put everything into the bowl and whiz it up. So I've just got a normal bowl here. You can use your mixer. I just thought, oh, I'd save time, and just put it in this bowl. So put in the baking powder, and of course the bananas. Like I said before, you don't have to put this many bananas in. You can even add more bananas if you want. This is sort of a healthy version, so it won't have any sugar in, but you can add 175 grams of sugar if you want to. And then I'm just going to grab my mixer and we're going to whisk this up. Okay, so as you can see, I have finished mixing it. I've got my mix here. I've taken the whizzy things out, and I am now just getting everything out of the sides and nicely incorporated. I've also heated up my oven to 180 degrees, and I've also lined a loaf tin, and I'm about to pour this into it now. Okay, so as you can see, I've got it in the loaf tin now, and now I'm going to go into the preheated oven for 1 hour. Okay, so here is the banana bread all done, and I love it so much. It came out nice golden brown colour, so that is amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, go to follow my Instagram, it is baking.with.eva, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!